File naming, an essential step for your workflow. Because many graphic designers have trouble renaming files due to the countless variations they have to make following client modifications, I thought of something that could be helpful. The format would look something like this: filename _1_001. The file name, the number of variations of the project, and the number of modifications made to a variation. You can always return to any of the variations and continue making modifications if needed, and you will always have the latest version available as a reference. Thus, the file sequence could look like this: filename 11027, filename 12028, filename 12029, etc., allowing you to pinpoint exactly where significant changes occurred. After all, you determine the working versions and define the meaning of the numbers in the file name. Although this issue may seem trivial, I have seen designers in a time crunch who couldn't find their files and had to search through names like Variant Final 4 or Last Variant Final 2. Thank you for your time, and good luck.